The holidays are always about family.
Ay, it's been so long. Ang laki niya na. Come in, tuloy.
Tara.
Uy, I'm here.
Hi,
thank you. Here, you look so thin. You should gain some weight. Tita, how
Ano ba, tita? Single pa rin yan.
Ano ka ba? Anong petsa na? Kailan ka pa mag-aasawa?
Auntie, you know the Supreme sang it best. You can't hurry love. Oh, you just have to wait.
Tama.
Diba? Di mo dapat minamadali yun.
Okay.
Kasi pag minadali mo, baka magkamali ka.
It's also about the memories that you make with each one of them.
Tara, family picture na tayo.
Come on, guys, let's go before the food gets cold.
Okay, tingin sa camera. Merry
Merry
Christmas!
Christmas!
Kompleto na sana. Kailan mo ako bigyan ng apo?
Actually, Ma, this Christmas, give your family the best,
I knew it. Buti na lang. Ready kami.
especially the furry ones. After all, they deserve the perfect care for the perfect pause. Happy holidays! From your perfect family.